Hello planner friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Sabrina from Sabrina's Plan. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're here to plan out the week of Monday, January 4th to Sunday, January 10th in my Erin Condren Daily Duo. And we are now in the next 6 months and I still have it in the coil. I will probably keep it that way for this 6 months. Today we're using a kit from the Black Dog Sticker Co. and it is kit DD-020. I have the date headers and the calendar covers and checklist, a couple of boxes for the bottom section, and then her kits come with a little thing for the scripts. And I have planned out a little bit of my work things that are going on this week. It is back to work week after some time off, which was greatly needed. I want to get these date dots on the headers and then we will get this week set up. So let's get started with the 4th. So one thing about having it in this coil bound is having to flip it back and forth. All right, so then we're going to add one of these calendar covers and a checklist sticker. And then we'll add this bottom box down here. All right, and then with the scripts, you get enough to-dos to cover up these to-dos. And I like to do that because this is the same font as this. I just noticed that on the January, that 31st is hanging out down there. So we're gonna drop that down a little bit so we can cover up the whole calendar. That gap right there doesn't really bother me. It would be more annoying to see that little 31 down there. Okay, so this is another week where my kids are out of school. All right, so same thing for this guy here. Just gonna go from the bottom up. All right, and then on this day, I do have one work meeting, and I just noticed I did not get the timed labels with this kit. So we'll just grab, this is my sticker stash for Planner Kate. We'll just cover that up. And I've been using this Sharpie roller pen in the 0.5, and I really like it. I do wish it were retractable because I hate these caps, but I like how it rates. Okay, so we'll leave this out because we will need that later. Okay, so Wednesday. Okay, so several meetings today. Oh, awesome. So I have some smaller ones. So we have a 930 and a 10. All right. Flip over to Friday. And then we'll put this payday up here. All right. And then the weekend. All right, Saturday I have been training for a 15K, and we'll use one of these. Just kind of pop it up here. And I did this in San Francisco last year in January, and it's a blast. I've done it before, prior years. Of course, this year it is virtual. I'm going to use one of these checklist stickers to go down the rest of Sunday. We're supposed to be getting our new washer today, which is Saturday the 2nd. And I am so excited. I've been going to the laundromat once a week for the past several weeks, and no thank you. I just saw this trash day, which is for Tuesday. Okay, so I didn't miss any of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But apparently we get an extra one now. I think we used to get 2 of these wider boxes, but I don't know. Apparently it's changed. So we set these things aside and we will flip through and review. So Black Dog Sticker Co. Kit DD-020. So January is basically a blue kind of month, and so we've got lots of blues, some succulents up here, but some like holly. And so this is how the week is turning out. That is going to be it for this video. I hope if you like these kind of videos, you will like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!